So what is up, everyone? This is Tuzlo, aka Seabass, and today I'm going to be doing a quick little video, nothing too major. The shocks on my hatch are very weak now. Like, look at this. Oh, see, they don't hold it up, so it's time to change them. And where did I buy mine? Bought these on Rock Auto. There are the part numbers, and they advertise that they're for the TRD spoiler. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace them with this. They're about $7 each. And another thing, I'm gonna go ahead and replace these because they're all cracking. Look at that. These are the ones that kind of stabilize your hatch, and they don't make it vibrate and wiggle left and right. That's why whenever you're driving around and you hear like some squeaking noise, it's because it's that rubbing up against this other one. You can see how it's all worn out, but this is hard plastic and this is rubber, so you don't have to replace this one, you only have to replace this one. Thank you again, TSR Garage. I got the idea from your video. He put out the video first, so I'll give him credit. I'm gonna go ahead and replace those, and the part number for that is, there you go. And easy way to remove it, just Phillips head, nothing too major. Just a Phillips head, and they'll come right off. And there we go. While the big truck passes by, and we're gonna go ahead and replace it. Then this right one's not as bad looking as this one that's all cracked and breaking, but there's a side-by-side comparison of the old one and new one. I already replaced both sides, secured. Here's the old one, it's all beat up, you can see crusty, like Krusty the Clown. I already replaced the left side, so now I gotta tackle the right side. Make sure you have a lovely assistant to help you. Already replaced both sides. This is the right side. I didn't show you guys the part number. Right side, left side, rubber stoppers. So should close well. Let me get this out of the way. Oh yeah, that's nice, but I think that's too much. Nice. All right.